Hey guys, this is Austin, and today we are going to be unboxing this Lenovo x131e I got from eBay. Let's go ahead and cut some of these seals. Let's see if we can open the box. Cool. So here we have our 12-inch, 11-inch, I'm pretty sure, Lenovo. It's nice and compact. This one is loaded with Windows 10, I believe. Yeah, Windows 10 Pro. It's freezing cold. I'll go ahead and set this aside and get our power supply out of here. Here we go, so we have our power supply. Well, let's go ahead and see if this little laptop has any juice. Got a nice clicky keyboard. Let's see. So, yeah, Think-pad. We have Windows 10 on this thing. I believe it's a 2.3 gigahertz Intel Core i3 processor. I'm not really 100% sure. Go ahead and let it load up here. It may be a clean install of... Yeah, it's a clean installation of Windows 10. You can see. It's thinking. Looks like this laptop on the top is made out of some aluminum or really cold plastic. And there's a rubber border around this. Next, the internet connectivity light right here. Let you know that you are connected to the internet. Let's see, let's take a look at the ports. We have our VGA port, our fan, two USB ports, a Ethernet jack. It looks like we have our headphone port over here. Nothing on the front. SD card reader, HDMI out, another USB port, and our charging cable, and a lock port. Let's go ahead and see. Cool. Okay. So yeah. We are booted into the desktop. Let me go ahead and connect to my Wi-Fi. Let's see if it wants to bring up the menu here. Connect to FBI Surveillance Fan 1. This is the name of my network. I'll type my key real quick. Verifying and connecting. We have our Lenovo and our Think-pad branding over here. And then we have Think-pad and Lenovo up here on the top too. Which is pretty cool. So we are connected to the internet. And my battery probably just died. Not really sure because it just powered off. Let's see if I can... Yep. Battery... No. That was weird, huh? I did it again. It is not good. Let's go ahead and see what is happening with this computer. It is not good. Okay, we are here again. That was really weird. But we are here, and it appears everything works like it should. I will be making a review on this laptop in the coming weeks or so. I'll be using it and let you guys know how it goes. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a nice rest of your day.